Broadcasting from various countries around the world using wireless technology, this is 4G Uncovered, a 4G on Solutions UK podcast. I'm Kathleen Reed. Joining us today is Shahar Peleg, Director of Product Management from Siklu. Siklu builds gigabit millimeter wave wireless backhaul solutions over the 70 to 80 gigahertz E-band and the 60 gigahertz V-band. Based on an unique all-silicon design that reduces price and increases reliability. A part of this podcast is even being recorded over a wireless link. Thank you for joining us today, Shahar. So, could you please give the 4G Uncovered listeners a bit of background on Siklu and the marketplace their products reach?
Sure. Siklu makes gigabit wireless backhaul solutions operating in the 60, 70, and 80 gigahertz millimeter wave band, which are also called V-band and E-band. We've developed very advanced all-silicon designs of these radios that reduce price and increase reliability. Siklu today is the market leader in the millimeter wave market leader, so selling over 7,000 units to date, which, as I mentioned, makes us the leader in millimeter wave backhaul. Our systems are already field-proven in various applications ranging from mobile backhaul to enterprise and business service connectivity all over the world in various weather conditions, from the monsoons in India to the cold weather of Russia. And we even had some units operating solidly during Hurricane Sandy recently in the United States. Millimeter waves are very well targeted for last mile applications, for high capacity last mile applications, making them very well suited for mobile backhaul, business services, ISP, enterprise connectivity, anywhere where you need to have high capacity connectivity at distances which are up to 2.5 or 3 kilometers, depending where you are in the world.
Excellent. So can you tell us why Siklu radios are manufactured at silicon level and how this benefits our customers?
Siklu has taken in all silicon disciplines actually from the consumer electronics world and transformed them into the carrier network. So on one hand, we're retaining the cost structure of consumer electronics. On the other hand, we're ensuring carrier-grade performance. There are a number of unique developments that are at the core of our technology. First of all, we've developed a single radio frequency integrated circuit, or what's called RFIC. It basically includes all the RF front-end, power amplifier, low-noise amplifier, mixers, filters, the whole deal into a very small silicon chip. It is the first silicon germanium design in the world for the E-band and the V-band spectrum, which results in dramatic cost reduction. We've also developed a baseband chip incorporating the modem, the converters, and a powerful machine that controls the quality of service over the wireless link. This eliminates the need actually for using third-party modems and an additional modules, which in turn, once again, contributes to optimal radio performance on one hand and also to cost reduction on the other hand. We also have our own self-designed patented antennas that are very small and high gain in power, which allow very simple and easy installation. These antennas meet all the required FCC and SC standards, and then too contribute to reducing the cost of the equipment, as well as reducing the installation time and effort, once again also contributing to the total cost of ownership. Altogether, these technology advantages that I just mentioned result in a very small, very easy to install radio, and probably not less importantly, at the right price to our customers.
So could you please tell our listeners, in your own words, why you would choose the EtherHaul products 1200T and 1200F, and what separates it from other products in the market, from manufacturers like Bridgewave, Radwin, and Ceragon?
First of all, the EtherHaul 1200 product line, they're the industry's smallest E-band products available, based on our all-silicon, fully integrated technology, which I just mentioned. It allows very quick and simple installation process, which can even be performed by installers with very minimal training and limited telecom expertise. We've integrated a full suite of networking capabilities for seamless and zero-touch installation and commissioning of our products into the existing network. So practically, if you install it and very minimal configuration, you have the product up and running into your network. The EtherHaul 1200, they provide gigabit capacity, so you can support your capacity needs today, and you could scale up to whatever capacity needs you may need in the future. And as the market shows, you never have enough capacity. Users always want more capacity than what's given today. On top of that, part of the networking features allow you to deploy our EtherHaul 1200 in resilient topologies, providing ring topologies, for example, or daisy chain topologies. And for the mobile backhaul applications, we have integrated synchronous Ethernet to provide the base station the required timing information that they need. So all these together, and once again, I'm returning to this, all these together, and together with the fact that all of these are provided in a very small, all outdoor, very simple to install product, together with the fact that this product is provided at a very, very low cost. These are all together the advantages of the EtherHaul 1200T, which all results from the all-silicon integration technology that we just discussed.
Okay, so with the EtherHaul 1200F released, could you please tell us a bit about the EH600, which is just on the horizon?
Yes, the EtherHaul 600 is a product which is mostly aimed for the small cell backhaul market. Small cells are currently a hot topic today for the mobile operators in order to provide the additional capacity boost to their network. Are actually planning to install a second layer of mobile cells. This time it's street level, and they would need to provide backhaul to it. The EtherHaul 600 operating in the 60 gigahertz frequency band is very well suited for this application, allowing to cope with the street level installation challenges, such as being installed on poles that move, twist, or sway, as well as provide high capacity, and to do that in a practically invisible form factor, very, very small, all outdoor unit. Now, while the sweet spot or the main application for the EtherHaul 600T is mobile backhaul, obviously it can be used for a wide variety of other applications as well. Once again, where you need high capacity point-to-point connectivity, this time for a range of a few hundreds of meters, where small form factor is required. For example, CCTV or surveillance application. So we're very much excited with our EtherHaul 600T just around the corner. We're seeing very high interest in this product, and we're working very hard to have it released to the market very soon and provide it to our customers.
So does Siklu have anything interesting planned for the future, and where do you see the market heading in the next few years?
Well, like we just mentioned, the EtherHaul 600T will be, it's planned to be shortly released in the second half of this year, with the emphasis of the small cell application. That said, we have additional development undergoing as we speak. All of them practically are focused on easier installation, which has a huge impact on the customer's total cost of ownership. We're developing tools that will practically allow the units to be auto-installed, minimizing or even more limiting the expertise required by the installers themselves. So it eliminates or minimizes the human errors that may be introduced during the installation process, reducing greatly the time that is required for the installation. In addition, we're working on enhancing our zero-touch installation and commissioning capability. Essentially, we want the installation to be done just by one person with a ladder, with commissioning done using SON or self-organized network technologies and concepts which are being defined these days as we speak. And once again, all of this is done for a single purpose. We want to make the installation much cheaper and easier, and to reduce the installation time and the installer expertise. This is we have already taken care of the CapEx side of the equation with offering high-capacity equipment at a very, very low cost. Now we're putting an emphasis on also reducing the OpEx or the installation time and cost of our product.
I really want to thank you for your time today, Shahar. Shahar Peleg is the Director of Product Management from Siklu. This has been a 4G Uncovered podcast brought to you by 4G On Solutions. For more information, please visit www.4gon.co.uk.